If your OneDrive keeps crashing on Windows 10, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix OneDrive crashes using Microsoft's emergency update KB5020953 and get your files syncing perfectly again. Let's dive right in. First things first, we want to make sure that your Windows 10 system is fully up to date, because most OneDrive issues tie back to compatibility bugs that Microsoft patches pretty quickly. So start by clicking on your Start menu, then go into Settings, choose Update and Security, and then head to Windows Update. Here, where the magic happens, click Check for Updates and let Windows do its thing. This process might take a couple of minutes, especially if you haven't updated in a while, but it's really worth the wait. Windows might find a new set of patches, including something called a cumulative update. If you see a cumulative update for Windows 10 available, that's the one you want. Go ahead and install all pending updates, and don't forget, sometimes your PC might restart during this process. This step is important because these cumulative updates often include both security fixes and little tweaks for compatibility issues, which are the most common source of random app crashes, including OneDrive. But what if your PC says you're up to date, or you don't see that special KB5020953 update? No worries at all, let's try installing it manually. Open your browser and visit the Microsoft Update Catalog. Just search Microsoft Update Catalog KB5020953 on Google if you want the quickest route. On the catalog page, you'll see a list of downloads. Find the one that matches your version of Windows 10, like for x64-based systems. If you're unsure whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit, you can quickly check by right-clicking this PC, choosing Properties, and looking for System Type. Once you've downloaded the correct update, double-click the file and follow the prompts. Windows will take care of the rest. This process installs the update directly, bypassing Windows Update and tackling the core problem head-on. Think of it as getting your prescription filled by a specialist if your usual pharmacy is out of stock. Now, if you've updated everything and OneDrive is still crashing, don't get discouraged. Sometimes the app itself just needs a quick reset to snap out of its funk. Here, how you do it: press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. This will pop up the Run dialog box. Type in C/Program Files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive. exe reset exactly as you see it and hit Enter. You might notice the OneDrive icon disappearing from the notification area for a bit, but don't worry, this is just OneDrive reloading its settings from scratch. Once it's done, go ahead and restart your computer. This reset often solves lingering issues because it clears out cached errors and gives OneDrive a fresh start. But let's say OneDrive is still acting up. One last thing you can try is unlinking your PC from OneDrive and then reconnecting. Open your OneDrive settings, go to the Account tab and select Unlink this PC. Don't worry, your files in the cloud are safe, they won't be deleted. After you unlink, sign back in with your Microsoft account and OneDrive will resync everything as new. Sometimes that simple handshake resets the connection and clears out any miscommunication. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have OneDrive running smooth and crash-free again. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or tips, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck getting OneDrive back on track.